Hello guys, ayan, so kakain tayo ng ating lunch. Ayan, di ba? We're going to eat our lunch. And ito guys, yung sinabawang manok with cabbage. Ayan. So mainit guys. So soft yung kanyang karne guys. And it's yummy. So sa mga kumakain dyan guys, kain po tayo. Ayan. Ang ulam namin is cabbage with chicken and Thank you guys for watching. Ayan. Follow for more guys for our videos. Ayan. And reels na ina-upload. Bye. Thank you.